Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Microsoft Teams meeting passcodes in waiting rooms, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable meeting passcodes in Microsoft Teams, start by opening the Microsoft Teams application on your desktop or browser. Sign in with your organization credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Calendar section on the left-hand side. Click on the New Meeting button to create a new meeting. Fill in the meeting details such as title, date, and time. Scroll down to find the Meeting Options link at the bottom of the invite. Click on the Meeting Options link, which will open a new web page. Look for the option labeled Require a Passcode. Toggle the switch to enable meeting passcodes. Now, create a passcode that attendees will need to enter when joining the meeting. Save your settings and return to the meeting invite. Next, let's enable waiting rooms for your Microsoft Teams meetings. In the same Meeting Options page, locate the setting for Who can bypass the lobby. Select the appropriate option to control who can enter the meeting directly. Choose from options like Everyone, People in my organization, or Only me. This will determine who waits in the lobby before being admitted. Once you've made your selections, click on the Save button at the bottom of the page. Close the Meeting Options page and review your meeting invite. Ensure the passcode and waiting room settings are reflected correctly. Finally, send the meeting invite to your attendees. Your meeting now requires a passcode and has a waiting room in place. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.